beach home today on my day off, guys. Today's my day off. And I had a lot of things to do today. A lot of things to do. So I have some packages ready for come. I'm gonna pick them up. I'm actually buy DJ school shoes today. So she did want the school shoes here. So I just go hunt it now. Alright, so I'm gonna open up that package here first. This are DJ school shoes. So I'm gonna get this here. So she did want one. So yeah, these are school shoes. So I'm gonna collect the package here. I don't remember when I down here, you know. I don't remember what is in this package at all. Alright. These are some boxes I get for Kai from Timu. You see him, little? I get some boxes for him. So 5 in the pack. I buy these to my daughter. It's like a chain, it's a bracelet. So I just buy some of these to my daughter. It's like a set though. She can wear them, rotate them. My birthday the 1st of September, guys. I buy this calculator for her. Oh, this is a shade. I buy these glasses for my mother because she love darkers. But myself, I'm looking at it. Yeah. So yeah, she love shades. She love darkers. So I'm just say, alright, I'm gonna get this. So I got that one. May I fix it up back? Come on, she pull it out herself. You know me the year, me don't even remember some of the stuff they want me buy. I don't even remember them. This now is my son. Come on from bed. In sneakers. So I'm get him these sneakers so I can do PE in there. Yeah. So I can do PE in there. So yeah, that is it for this package. Alright. For my next package now, I buy this from Amazon. These are some like phone case. My mom's phone is so sensitive, so I purchased a phone case for her, and I purchased one for myself, and I actually get myself a charger. So this is my phone case for the phone that I'm using now. So this is it. This is my charger. I actually get two of them, two USB. So I get these two of this. I get two of this, and I get two of this also because the charger that I have gone bad, so I needed two of them. And this is my mom phone case now. So it comes with the screen protector and the back part. She can catch her phone anywhere she want to catch it. Yeah. But yeah, it's just easier for her now. Cause like I said, it's sensitive. That's that for that case. And for the big box, I get them knapsack. So this one is for my daughter. So she chooses it, I buy it. So this is our knapsack for school. To have different compartments. So further down I'll show you how it looks and all of that. And this is for my son. So this is a pencil case for him. This is his lunch bag. So this is how big it is. And this is the inside of the lunch bag. Yeah. And this is his knapsack for school. So yeah. After school on Monday. Guys, look how I sweat. Look how I'm sweating. So this is everything, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. Bye guys. I'm so hot. Later.